This stupid guy. Sleepyhead. Hello. What the specials for tonight, Mr. Chef.
Camera won't do justice.
My physical health is more fucked up.
Yay!
It's gone! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. నేను ఎక్కడున్నానో గెస్ చేయండి. I'm currently in Inverness, which is in Scotland. 7 years అవుతుంది యూకేలో ఉండి. ఇప్పుడు వరకు స్కాట్లాండ్కి వెళ్ళలేదు, ఎక్సెప్ట్ స్కాట్లాండ్, ఎవ్రీథింగ్ we roamed. So this is my first time in Scotland. All our friends. Yeah, happy bank holiday weekend, which is Easter bank holiday weekend. So 4 days ammata. Last night after work we started. ఇప్పుడు టైం వచ్చేసి 11:30. 6:30కి మేము రీచ్ అయ్యాము. తర్వాత ఒక 3 to 4 hours మ్యాప్ వేసి ఇప్పుడు రెడీ అయ్యి వెళ్తాం. Weather is pleasant, not that bad. I thought it will be raining, but it's okay, can manage. Hopefully this vlog will be fun. I will make sure to vlog all the bits and pieces, what I'm doing and everything. Right now we are just waiting for our friends to get ready and we all will start as soon as we can. Yeah, please make sure to stay tuned. Yes.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
This is our accommodation.
I do not consent.
What?
I do not consent.
For what? Sleepyhead. So I'm going to do a mini house tour. Please don't mind, it will be messy.
Where is our hair straight now?
This stupid guy just
Coming through.
this is basically hangout area where it's completely messed up. This is a kitchen and this is me and my OTT. Hello. Look at my face. I'm so sleepy. Plan ఏంటంటే we are going to this place called, I'll pop it on the screen. I forgot. My brain is not functioning properly. ఏంటంటే ఫ్రెండ్స్ అందరం కలిసి ఒక, ఇట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఐ థింక్ ల్యాండ్స్ ఎండ్. సో అక్కడికి వెళ్ళి, వెదర్ ఇప్పుడు కొంచెం డల్గా అవుతుంది. ఇట్ లిటరలీ మేక్స్ మీ సో స్లీపీ. యాజ్ ఐ సెడ్ యూ ఎర్లియర్, this is my first time in Scotland and what a start. I am like already feeling sleepy, tired and everything. Okay, so అక్కడికి వెళ్ళి ల్యాండ్స్ ఎండ్ అనే ప్లేస్కి వెళ్ళి కొంచెం అటు ఎక్స్ప్లోర్ చేసి, ఇన్వర్నెస్ ఎక్స్ప్లోర్ చేసి, we'll head back to our Airbnb, have food and we'll go to Isle of Wight tomorrow. అది ప్లాన్ అన్నమాట. What the? Looks like I'm gonna fall. Oh, that's the reverse.
You're gonna fall. So yeah.
Reverse. What are you doing now?
I'm making pav
What's
bhaji.
the specials for tonight, Mr. Chef?
Pav bhaji.
Not just
Not the belly. There is no the belly today. It's only power.
Mr. Sri Chef.
Mr. Sri Chef. What's that? Oh, yummy, yummy. Hi guys, welcome to day 2 in Scotland. We are surrounded by snow mountains. Wow, what a sunlight. Shows yellow warning. Snow yellow warning. As you can see, there is a snow mountains behind. I hope you can see snow mountains. Yeah. There you go. There's a photo session going on. Over there as well. Here, the photographer, the pro photographer. And there.
They were doing like this.
Camera won't do justice.
Recording, come to the frame. Back up. गाइस ये बर्फ है गाइस, अगर ये पिघलेगा तो सुनामी आ सकती है गाइस। और ये भर जाएगा गाइस। Transparent water, you know, guys.
Okay, we are gonna start a charity for us.
You can donate me £5, guys. Only £5. I need it, okay? What happened? Tired? I came here for my mental health, but now I'm realized my physical health is more fucked up.
few moments later.
Go reverse, go reverse.
Oh, okay.
Now you turn tire. Okay. Straight tire, straight. Straight. That's it.
Let's run.
Straight. Little bit right now. Yeah, go straight now. Little bit right. Right. Keep right side. Yay! He ran back.
He's gone.
Let's go.
Oh my God! He's going.
Going without us.